Well, hello guys. Welcome back to Mullet Boys. Yeah, I guess today we decided to do my second video ever. I think what we're gonna do today is we're gonna clean up the old Aveo, A.K.A. the hot rod, because you know we can. So why not? Because it's a dirty bastard. It's dirty. It's dirty. Here, let me start this up for you guys. Just start this whole up. If I can get into it. Here. Put you back to about a muffler here. Even though there barely is one. Oh. Oh yeah, she's that is not good. That is an uh-oh. That is a major uh-oh. That does not smell good whatsoever. But yeah, as you can see, she's a dirty girl. She needs to be cleaned. Also good today, I'm gonna check the air pressure and oil and all of that. Got the old 16V. Produces about 30 horsepower. Yeah, let's get this bad baby cleaned out. I think I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere and do a time lapse and figure out what that leak's going on there. Because it smells like gasoline in here now. Yeah, that's not too good. So I'll just see you guys here in a second. Well, sorry folks, my camera ran out of storage there, so I'm just gonna continue on here with my phone. So I'm just cleaning out the center console here now, which is it's not that big. It's quite a small one, but I'm just taking old stuff like glasses from 2012 and put this rock and stay in here. You never know when you're gonna need a handy rock. But I should leave these glasses in here too. But like these old dentist toys, those are gonna get thrown away here. I'll show you how dirty this thing is. Oh, that's not a good example. But I mean, she's dirty. She is pretty dirty. I don't even know where to put this. I'll just sit it there for now. Cardboard can never have enough cardboard to lay on. Recycling paper and stuff. Well, jeez, isn't that a gem? Got wet wipes that I bet aren't wet anymore. Well, I'll put those by the hand cleaning stuff. Alright, so I got those wet wipes out of here. Got a few umbrellas that are very clearly broken. So we'll just, you know, actually, I don't know if those can go in there. I'll just set those over here for right now. Let's go over here. I'll say hi, Goose. Goose has got the old Scratch McGee's. These can stay in here. Same with that Crescent wrench that I don't know why it's in here. Just, let me turn the lighting on here, boys. Just a random Crescent wrench. You know, never nil. Let's leave that in here. A few water bottles. Whatever the heck that is. This, that. Those can stay in there. Those are alright, except this and this. These can get out of here. And these. You'll never know what you find in the old Aveo. We'll go look at Dingamajigger over here trying to think he can do that. Kids these days, am I right? Kids these days. Get this stuff out of here. Whoa. All this stuff out of here. Goose says he wants to go outside, but I don't know if I should let him. Yeah, then let's just vacuum this son of a gun out. Let's make sure my spare's good first. Here, I'm checking my spare's good. Can confirm we have positive sparage in there, so let's just go ahead and go vacuum this out here. I'm gonna have to shut off the video here because well, my phone doesn't have anywhere to set up, and I don't have any duct tape to the wall. Actually, that's a great idea. I'll be right back, folks. I just said screw it with the phone idea on the wall there. So trunk's clean. I'll show you that here in a bit once I'm done with this son's a gun. Now, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean out the back here, which has got an obscure amount of paper bags, probably from trick or treating or something. They aren't very high quality either, so we'll just set those over there. We'll walk out here, you know. Turn the lighting on here, folks. It's getting dark in here. Goose decided he wants to go for a drive, so we'll just sit in the back and let him go drive. Because, you know, dogs can drive. Right, Goose? Goose is right. Dogs can drive. Huh? No, you just want to go for a ride. He loves going for rides. Mostly in trucks, because then he knows that means we're going hunting. But he likes riding the old Aveo too. Even though it might scare him a little bit, my driving, but yeah, it's okay. He likes to go for a drive. And holy moly, this seat's pretty clean. I don't know if you can see that, folks, but that's pretty clean for sitting for like 2.5 years, but we'll clean it up still. I'll show you guys this trunk here that I did here. A lot of that dirt in there, you know, is just dug into the carpet, so it's like real hard to get it out. So it's just gonna stay there for now. It feels clean. It doesn't look clean. I got the back seat down here real cleaned up. I'm gonna get the seat in here, and then I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up here, you know, get off of there. And then, for the most part, I think the dash is pretty clean, so I'll just clean the seats up in here, and that's pretty clean. You know, I think this old 5-speed will be ready to go. Hit the road. We can figure out where that oil's coming from. And I really hope it's not the gosh darn tailpipe, but you never know. Actually, let's take a look down there right now at this cardboard here. You can see there. That's not positive there. That is not positive oil. And from my observation, it's coming out of the tailpipe because it's not coming out of anywhere else. Sheesh. That's gonna have to be fixed, right, Goose? Right, bud? Right, buddy, old pal? He says yes. Yeah, well, we'll have to figure out that, but that's for a different episode. I don't even know if I'll be able to film that episode, but we'll see here, buds. Yeah, let's just put everything back in here. That's the wrong way. We'll just put everything back in here and get her ready to go. So she's ready to go zooming on the racetrack. It's like the old tractor and the old C10 here. Well, actually, old C10 here. Let's see. So here, I got a better example up here in the engine. So this is a 250 inline six, and on these inline sixes, their intake is part of the exhaust. So if you see down there, that is clearly broke off, and that's the exhaust. So what we did is we bought a 292, this is the block for the 292. It's an inline six, of course. So that would be out of like a C20, and this is a C10 custom deluxe step side, obviously. And what we're gonna do here, as you can see, this one's still got the carburetor and the intake, but we're just gonna take the intake manifold and the exhaust manifold. We're just gonna slap her on there and throw the existing carburetor back on there. I think she'll be pretty mint, because this engine it ran pretty good too. So we'll just throw that carburetor back on, that intake manifold from the 292, and I think we'll be pretty set up here, boy. But yeah, let's get back here and put this other doggone thing in here and vacuum up the seats here that are still pretty dirty. You know, old 5-speed manual. You know, none of that automatic bull crap. That's for sissies. I'm just kidding. And it's kind of true though. But yeah, I think I'll clean the seats up and I'll come back with you here in a second. Well, boys, I think she's ready to hit the road. I'm just gonna start her up here and try to figure out if that oil is a continue thing or is just leaking out, or if it even is oil. I'm also gonna look in the engine here and make sure everything's working right. Take this out of here and throw that over there because we don't need it, boys. Everything's harder to do with one hand. I figured that out. I do not like those. So we'll see if this oil is dripping out. Doesn't seem like it's dripping out. Let's rub it up here for a second. See if there's more. I can get my foot in the gas. Doesn't smell as bad before. Yeah, I think that was just a one-time thing when we first got it in here. So that's not that big of a deal. So, I think I'll just end the video here, boys. Hope you enjoyed watching. If not, you can go watch some other videos. I really don't care. Hold on, we gotta put the tennis racket back in there. Yeah, thanks for watching, folks, and hopefully I can get this uploaded by tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see you then.